Good day everyone, my name is Ateria Hezbollah. In this channel, I share helpful tips on how to make money online, and if you are a business owner, I share step-by-step process on how to scale up your business so that in the long run, you are going to realize more profit from your business. If you are just joining my YouTube channel, please for the first time, kindly like and subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. I promise you I will never let you down. Alright, in this video I'm going to share with you guys another important airdrop that you must not miss. Alright, if you are the one that have gotten a significant amount of money from Notcoin, you will actually understand what I'm trying to say. But if you've never gotten anything from the airdrop, I promise you that if you do an airdrop, it can actually change your life for good. If you are the type that ignore or snub airdrop, I will just advise you to do this. If you do not do any other one, please kindly do this one, because there is high rate and high tendency that this kind of airdrop will cook very soon. Alright, I'm going to walk you step-by-step process on how to participate in this airdrop, and don't forget, this airdrop is stated to be launched on 14th of this month. 14th of this month. And when you check today's date, today is 11th. It means that you have just 30 days left if actually they launch as planned. Okay, what are you going to do now? You are going to come to this open and it's going to load up. Okay, this kind of airdrop is quite different from, as you can see now, I'm having 21,670 dogs. So this kind of airdrop is different from tap swap or hamsters combat, where you have to tap or you do some kind of activities. This one is quite different. What you have to do is that you are going to calculate your score based on the number of years you spent on Telegram. Let's say if you've spent like 2 years on Telegram now, you're going to get about 2,000. You're going to get about 2,000 dollars, right? The first thing you have to do here is that you have to set up by clicking on the link that I provided in the comment section. When you click on the link, it's going to be directly here, and when it's directly here, it's going to calculate the number of years you spent on Telegram and going to give you your score. So, and after that, there are a lot of things you can just do. The different simple tasks you can do. The first thing is that by checking in every day. But before that, you will see something like connect wallet. So you download the Ton wallet. If you are not having the Ton wallet, just go to the Play Store and type Ton. And if you are having Ton wallet, just connect your Ton wallet with this, and you are going to receive another point. Is another value that you are going to get from this. So when you connect your Ton wallet with this airdrop, you are going to get some number of dogs. Alright. Another is that when you invite at least 5 friends like this, you're going to get 20,000 dogs. So when you check in every day, I'm having like 13,000 dogs. So for my check-in, so when I check in every day, you log in every day automatically. When you log in today, you're going to give you points. When you log in tomorrow, you're going to give you points. So share your story. Like when you share this story on Telegram story, you're going to get 1,000 points. Be a dog. So this is the first thing you have to do. When you click on this be a dogs, you get another point. Another thing is some kind of things. Add the kind of tags you can do. Just check in. You're going to see now. So when you connect your wallet, you're going to get 1,000 dogs. So you must never miss these airdrops. So let me just show you another thing. So can you see, when you see this note now, you realize that dogs has distributed their coins to different exchanges. So they have distributed the coin to OKX, Bybit, Mobitex, K.io, and some kind of exchange, BitGet, quick coins. They have sent different values of dogs to different exchange. So you must never miss this airdrop. You must not miss it. It's stated as planned. It's getting launched on 14th of this month. If it gets launched, we are going to really get a visible amount of money from this airdrop. See you on the winning side.